Pemirsa limbaknya virus corona nenten dahat mawasana, majang penglimbakan pariwisata ring Kabupaten Karangasem, santukan genah wisata Tirta Gangga kantun ngedawatin manah wisatawan asing.
Taman Tirta Gangga ring Karangasem ngantos mangkin pindah ke genah wisata populer ring Karangasem, santukan kantun ramie ngedautin manah wisatawan saking domestik wiadin mancanegara. Kuentenan limbaknya virus corona jantan nenten dahat mawasana ageng ring genah irike. Silih tunggil wisatawan asing saking Spanyol, Iren Mausang, nenten osah ngarepin panglimbakan virus corona inucap, manut ipun ngantos mangkin Bali aman antuk kerauhan wisatawan.
My name is Irene from Spain. I'm Alba from Spain too. And Karangasem Bali is safe.
Kuentenan puniki taler ngawinang krama ring widangan Tirta Gangga pinih Garjita santukan Karangasem kantun kapercaya oleh wisatawan asing pindah ke genah pariwisata sane aman atau kerauhin. Natasa wisatawan asing saking Rusia taler dahat kelangunin manah ring pekantenan genah pariwisata ring Karangasem rumasuk Tirta Gangga puniki sane pindah ke silih tunggil genah tetujuan wisata ipun selami ring Bali. Ipun taler nenten osah virus corona santukan Karangasem kantun aman.
I'm from Russia and I was traveling in Bali around 12 years, and this is really Bali, the land of the gods, a land of the beauty and the land of the mystical for foreigner people. I love Karangasem because this is very regional Bali and very many temples and the mountain of Agun. They made a special aura. So this is very pure energy and very lovely smiling people and also very amazing nature. Yes, I love ocean, I love Balinese culture, and I want to know secret why the Balinese people so happy people in the world. I'm very worried, but I want to say the cart affair. This is very safety and beautiful place, and don't worry, come to Karangasem and don't afraid about coronavirus. This is very safety and beautiful and pure place.
Sajroning kebijakan pemulihan pariwisata oleh pemerintah, jantan pindah ke Cina, Bali kantun aman kerauhin oleh wisatawan. Pungkuran keatiang kerama internasional percaya saha sumeken Bali pindah ke genah tetujuan wisata, sane aman kerauhin wisatawan.